Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to this new video on Jasmy, your daily update. Wanted to do a full update right now. The market situation is actually quite interesting here because yesterday evening we got a bit of a sell-off. We're on the 1 minute time frame. So yesterday, I think the price in the morning was still here, right? So yesterday, Jasmy, I would say was still bullish. Now we were getting some bearish signs, right? I mean, right now. Basically across the market we're getting some bearish signs, so it's not the end of the world. What you can see, for example, is that we are getting some major bearish divergences, right? So you can see that we're making higher highs in total, 3 or at least two higher highs, but then if you look at the RSI, we've been making 2 lower lows. Which is, I mean, that's one of the strongest bearish divergences you can have, especially if you have 2 confirmation points. But the thing is that sometimes in market circumstances like these, you cannot fully trust that. But what we have seen is that, for example, where yesterday we still had that bullish momentum, I would say right now we've actually lost it. We haven't respected the trend line, which is, I mean, it's just a trend line, so it doesn't matter that much. But then apart from that, we've been losing momentum basically since Tuesday evening. And you can also see that the EMAs right now are kind of in the middle of the price and are no longer being respected, which are all signs of a consolidation, at least on the short term, all right? Because if you zoom out, obviously, this is still an uptrend. This is not a full consolidation. But on the short term, this is a consolidation. On the 4-hour time frame, I would still say this is an uptrend. So I still think it's most likely that we will continue this. And also historically, and continue this bullish momentum. Also historically, if you have an uptrend and you get into a consolidation, usually you continue going up. And arguably, you could also say that Jasmy actually consolidated right here with one big fake out. And we also, after that, we also continue to go up. So most likely for me is still that even though right now we are consolidating between, I would say 4.05 cents. So that's 0.0405, that's the top of the consolidation, and then the bottom right here is at 3.65 cents. Even though we are consolidating between that and therefore on the short term have lost the bullish momentum, I still think it's most likely that we will continue with a bullish breakout. Now, is that guaranteed though? No. All right, because like I said, we are getting some bearish confirmations, not only for Jasmy, but also for the entire market. And the fact that Jasmy is losing momentum is not the end of the world. We've seen that before. But what that does mean is that we are getting more correlated to the markets. So getting bearish confirmations for the markets is relevant. So ultimately, like I said, I think a bullish breakout is most likely, but I would just wait for a breakout, wait for a confirmation. And then when you have that confirmation, so that would either be a breakout above 4 cents and 4.05 cents, or a breakout below 3.65 cents, then you have more confirmation. It's entirely possible that Bitcoin starts to fall today and Jasmy drops down below 3.65 cents. And if that happens, we will, at least on the short term, turn bearish, drop down towards 3.4, 3.5, potentially even 3.2, before having a chance to be bullish again. So that is entirely possible. Now, due to the market structure and in general market sentiment, I think a bullish breakout is more likely, but that doesn't mean that it's guaranteed. All right, so be careful. I think in general, if there was ever a time not to long Jasmy, I think it's now. I think it's much better to wait for confirmation. But those are my thoughts. That's what I think you need to know for now. If you do have any questions, of course, let me know down in the comments. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.